Hello friends, I am Dattatreya Rao. I have to deliver the new aspects regards to the chromosomes, chapter 3rd, inheritance and variation. Now the chromosomes, you know that's in the nucleus of the each cell. In the nucleus of the each cell, DNA is the packed into the fibers that is known as the filamentous body present in the nucleus is the known as the chromosomes. Simply says that chromosomes are the filamentous body present in the eukaryotic nucleus. You know that the each nucleus which are having the highly packed DNA molecules, and this DNA molecule is highly packed, highly condensed, highly coiled, and to made the highly condensed chromosomes. And this chromosomes is the highly coiled, highly condensed, the packaging of the DNA, and this packaging of the DNA highly coiled on a histone proteins to form the condensed form of the chromosomes. The term chromosomes was firstly coined by the Waldeck 1888, but that before that in 1815 Strasburger describes the term chromosomes. 1815 the Strasburger firstly described the term chromosomes. As per the examination point of view, board examination asks the questions: define the chromosomes, what is the function of the chromosomes, size and shape of the chromosomes, and number of chromosomes. So I have to detail explanation regarding to the chromosomes. The chromosomes, you know that these the materials which is the filamentous body, which is the present in the eukaryotic nucleus, and the chromosomes which is the varies from species to species. So the function of the chromosome, what are the function of the chromosome, what are the significant function of the chromosome? These are the ability of the self replicating. Each chromosome are having the self replicating, means the chromosomes are undergoes the make a exact copy of itself, that is known as the replication, that is known as the duplication. These are the inbuilt function because there is a presence of the DNA inside the chromosomes. Number one is the ability of the self replicating play the important role in the heredity and variation, play the important role in the heredity and variation. Without chromosome, without DNA, there is not possible to transfer the genetic material. So the chromosomes are the having the important role in the heredity and variations. Then another function, another role of the chromosome is the play the vital role in the mutation and evolution of the species. What is mean the play the vital role in the mutation? Mutation are the sudden change in the expression of the character due to the change in the structure of the chromosomes, and evaluation of the evolution of the species. New species are the produced. new character are the form due to the mutation in the chromosomes. Mutation and evolution of the species play the important role in the heredity and variations. Ability of self-replicating. So chromosomes are the morphologically and genetically identical. So such chromosomes is called as the homologous chromosomes. Chromosomes which are the morphologically as well as genetically identical one, that chromosome is called as the homologous chromosomes. In the then size and shape of the chromosomes, you know that the chromosomes are the visible only the cell division during the metaphase. They are visible only during the cell division at the metaphase, the size and shape of the chromosomes. Now here, size of the chromosome is varies species to species, is the 0.1 to 33 micrometer in the length. Size of the chromosome is the 0.1 to the 33 micrometer in length and the 0.2 to 2 micrometer in the thickness. Size and shape of the chromosome is varies, not a same, not an identical one in all species, in all organism. These are the varies from species to species. So that shape of the chromosome is the in metaphase shows the maximum condensation appear in short and thick. Shape of the chromosome is also the varies from species to species. So the in the metaphase, you know that the chromosomes are visible, appear in the metaphase stage, show the maximum condensation, appear short and thick one. Then the number of the chromosomes. All the individual of the species usually have the same number of the chromosomes. All individual of the species usually have the same number of the chromosomes, and presence of the whole set of the chromosome is called as the euploidy. What is mean by the ploidy, euploidy and uneuploidy? The term ploidy means speaks for the primary basic number of the chromosome. Primary basic number of the chromosome in a cell is known as a ploidy. Ploidy term is the basic number of chromosome in a cell. Primary basic number of chromosome in a cell. When the chromosome number in a cell is the exact multiple of primary basic number, it is called as the euploidy. Euploidy is the when the chromosome number in a cell is the exact multiple of the primary basic number. Primary basic number, then it is called as the euploidy. Euploidy simply say that. Euploidy means basic number of the chromosome in a cell is known as a ploidy. How many numbers? It may be 2, it may be 24, it may be 23, how many numbers? Ploidy means a basic number of the chromosome in a cell is called as a ploidy. When depending upon the number are, how many numbers are there? When the chromosomes number in a cell is exact multiple of the primary basic number, multiple of primary basic number is known as the euploidy, and the euploidy include the haploid. Haploid means one set of the chromosome, diploid two set of the chromosome, triploid three set of the chromosomes, tetraploid the four set of the chromosomes. Haploid, diploid, triploid and tetraploid. Set of the chromosome, one set of the chromosome is a haploid, 2 set of the chromosome is a diploid, 3 set of the chromosome is a triploid, and 4 set of the chromosome is known as the tetraploid. When the chromosome number is not the exact multiple of the haploid set of the chromosome, it is described as the aneuploidy. Aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means there is no exact number of the multiple of the haploid set of the chromosome. When the chromosome number is not the exact multiple of the haploid set, it is called as, it is described as the aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is either addition or the deletion of one or more chromosome in a cell. Concept of the euploidy, concept of the euploidy, and concept of the aneuploidy. Aneuploidy, ploidy means the primary basic number of the chromosomes in a cell is known as a ploidy. Euploidy means when the chromosome number in a cell is exact multiple of the primary basic number, it is called as the euploidy. And euploidy means when the chromosome number is not exact multiple of the haploid, it is called as described as the aneuploidy. And aneuploidy is the either addition of the one or more chromosome or deletion of the one or more chromosome in a cell is known as the aneuploidy. You know that the best example, now to take the in human beings, each somatic or the body cell contains the 2 set of the chromosomes, diploid set of the chromosomes, 2n number 46. Each gamete having the 1 set of the chromosomes, male gamete which are having the 1 set of the chromosome and female gamete which are having the 1 set of the chromosomes. So in the 1 set of the chromosome, which is the diploid set of the chromosome, that is the 2n numbers, you have to write here, 2n number is equal to 46 diploid one, and each gamete which are having the 23, that is a 23, which is the 22 pairs is the autosomes and 1 pair is the, that is known as the 6 chromosomes. 22 pairs are the somatic autosomes. The chromosomes are present in the somatic cells, body cell of the organisms or human beings. These 46 chromosome, 23 pairs. 23 pairs, out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are the autosomes and 1 pair is the 6 chromosomes are the present. So in the chromosomes, chromosome, definition of the chromosomes, term is coined by the chromosomes. Firstly describe the chromosomes. 1815 firstly described the chromosome by the Strasburger, and first term is coined by the Walder is the 1888. Function of the chromosomes, ability of self-replicating, play the important role in the heredity and variation, play the vital role in mutation and the evolution of a species. Size and shape of the chromosomes. Size of the chromosome is the 0.1 to the 33 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 2 micrometer in thickness. Size of the chromosomes and shape of the chromosome is varies species to species. In metaphase, shows the maximum condensation appears in the short and thick in at the during the division of the cell division of the metaphase. You know that I have already told about that the chromosomes are appear during the cell division and they clearly appear in the metaphase. So all the Discussion regarding to the chromosomes in details. In a board examination, question may be asked for the 3 marks, 2 marks. Describe the number of the chromosomes, describe the shape and size of the chromosome, function of the chromosomes, and definition of the chromosomes. This chromosome is the nothing but the highly packaging the DNA molecules. DNA is the highly packed, coiled and coiled around the histone proteins and to form the highly condensed structure. That condensed structure is the filamentous bodies are the present in the eukaryotic nucleus. This is called as the chromosomes. In the nucleus of the each cell, DNA is the packed into the filamentous body, and that filamentous body is known as the chromosomes. Thank you so much.